Very good afternoon, students. Uh, in the last lecture, we have started the new chapter of this course. As I think your course title now you are remembering now. So it's communication skills and personality development. So in the communication skills, the very first part or theoretical part of communication we have covered, and the second aspect actually of the this course is the personality development. And in the personality development, in the last lecture we have seen what is personality, then types of personality we have seen. So regarding the personality, just would like to memorize it again. It's a quality of individual's total behavior, or it is the quality of or the all the traits. Getting, and usually what we say personality, we just judge the personality of anyone else by looking at his height, weight, the skin color. Actually, we have the different specs for judging the personality, but in scientific way, how or the which factors are there which determine the personality of anyone else. So here the issues are there. The main determinants of personality, basically major three determinants are there. Either it's a heredity, it's environment, then situation. Getting, actually basically heredity and environment are the most important factors. So heredity, one of the studies telling anyone's personality is judged by heredity around 68%. That means if whatever my personality is and you judge me, so 68% of my personality is uh, depends on the heredity. That means from my generation, from where I came, that by my family background, everything that comes in, my genetic things. So that all are comes under the heredity part. So heredity determines the 68% and remaining is the environment, how your nurture is. Getting? That means how you upgrow in the society. So that is the environmental factor actually which determines the personality. And last one is the situation. Dear students, you might have watched the movie Nirja. Have you? Please go for this because it's a really nice movie. So that Neeraja is there, and actually she is the youngest citizen, actually civilian who had received the Ashok Chakra. Actually, yeah, definitely it's Ashok Chakra, I think, for her bravery. She is the staff of the Air Force, not a Air Force actually, it's a aviation agency was there, and she was there. And a terrorist attack was there. You will get the idea from that movie. Just I wanted to tell you that the your situation, how is the situation? Sometimes what you do or we do, that we never expect from the person that he will do such a thing. And sometimes you might be thinking, no, how he done this. So actually, situation teach that person to behave in this way. Getting, so three determinants are there: heredity, then environment, and last one is a situation. And meanwhile the other attributes you can add because it's quite important also. So locus of control. Locus of control means what? That it is the sense of an individual. Getting, it's a sense of an individual that he just what you can say, he thinks what determine his fate, either his own fate or either his oneself own. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये आपण काय म्हणतोय की मला हु इज कंट्रोलिंग मी, मला कोण कंट्रोल करतोय. मग काही जण असं म्हणतील की जे काय असेल that God is controlling us, like one of the dialogue famous, आप सब तो कठपुतलियां हैं, डोर किसी के हाथ में. Like the, if you are thinking in this way, that door is in another side, that's unknown part God, and you cannot do anything, then definitely you will be in a negative mode. You will think everything, if it's in control of God, then why I should do anything. But at the same time, other people are there who thinks, no, locus of control, it's me. I am going to decide my life. Whatever I will do, that will be mine only. So it catches the personality. Getting. Then Machiavellianism. Machiavellianism means what? Uh, we see some emotional peoples are there who gives priority to emotions rather than their achievement or rather than their objective. So what you think? The people who maintain the distance, emotional distance in this sense, from the others, chances of their success is more. Getting? If you are weighing any situation in the weighing balance of emotions, then how it is possible? You must be a practical one. So these kind of personalities who have the Machiavellianism or the more Machiavellianism, they just believing on the results in spite of way of getting this. Getting what they believed on the results. I want such results. So way might be anything, but they just believe on the results. So remember this Machiavellianism. Then self-esteem. Self-esteem, that means his own, what you can say, the ability, his own perception. If the person is with good or high self-esteem, then definitely, or we can say self-respect also. Ready? Or the I can do it. If he believe himself, then his personality will be the different one. Then self-monitoring. He should judge, or the people, they judge themselves. No one is going to cover or cure my life. I have to take effort and I have to go move ahead, or I have to move ahead. Ready? So that is a self-monitoring part. Then risk-taking ability or the propensity. The people always actually you might be watching some inspirational videos. It might be Vivek Bindra sir, or it might be a Patni. Getting? So you just, or the Sandeep Maheshwari sir, you just hear them as you are enjoying the holidays. You just get it. Getting? So one of, I don't know who has who told this, but it's a very good story where the aeroplane is safest. Definitely it's on ground, but whether it's have any value, not at all. It must fly, or it should fly in the air. Then and then only it is having a value. Getting? So for a likely, if you are not taking a risk in your life, then your value will be remain zero. So the risk-taking ability or the propensity decides the personality. You see your surrounding, most of people choose safest way to reach to goals. They just forget the to reaching the goals. They just living the life without taking a risk. Getting? So risk-taking propensity is determining the personality. Then type A and type B personality. Actually, type A and type B personality means what? Type A personalities, they are always in hurry. You will see, if you ask them, do you have time? No, 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 no. I don't have time. I'm too much busy. Getting? Such a time. Or they are doing the too much work at a time. And at result, what happens, as they are concentrating on a number of points at a time, so they never succeed. While type B personality, they are calm in nature, always calm. They do their work sincerely. They're just taking a single work at a time. And as well, they find some leisure time and enjoying without any hesitation. So such a type A and type B personalities are there. Then such factors. affecting the development of personalities. So biological factors are there and environmental factors. Actually, it is as same as like heredity and environment. Getting? So endocrine glands, very first is the endocrine glands. So glands of internal secretion release the chemicals called as hormones into the bloodstream. They affect the growth and development of the body as well as the personality, because these secretion have an important influence on nervous system. It determines the general efficiency which is related to the personality. See, why you get anger? Sometimes you will see short-tempered people are there, or some jolly peoples are there. Why? Because such a hormonal secretions are there in your body. Actually, it's a body. It's a full of chemicals. Ready? So every time our body secretes some glands, some hormones, and which let you behave in that way. Sometimes you will see that you don't want it to behave in that way, but you do it. The reason is that your glands. Getting? So endocrine glands are there. Then physic. The size and physical strength of the person determine the degree in which he reacts to other people. If the person who is having very good physique, ultimately his confidence level will be higher one. As well, he can easily dictate the rest of people. Those are in a what you can say, those who are having the that much physique or the ordinary physique. Getting? So definitely it will add the flavor in your personality. Then environmental factors or the social factors you can say. So home. The home is the first training unit you can say. Or home is the place where all the freedom you will have. Getting? So determine or the treatment which child received in the home, it will determine to a large extent of the kind of biological trait which exists. So how you treat your child at your home, that will decide the personality. Getting? So the kind of treatment he will receive, accordingly he will behave in the society. Then birth order. The eldest child is said to be a domination, his position in the family, and identify himself with his parents. You see, the head of the family, the almost elder one, they remain in the family or the leader of the family. But in Marathi, one idiom is there, नकटं व्हावं पण धाकटं होऊ नये. So likely your birth order is always decide your personality. Ready? Then sex instinct which child receives from the parents affect the development of personality. Generally, male sex becomes a master of the authority of family. Actually, this is our not a culture we can say, but this is our myth. Ready? But regarding the personality, yes, for example, even if you see in Marathi, for the girls, the synonym is there abala. Abala, that means who don't have a strength. So we have actually decided this sex, or we have segregated. If a boy starts crying, then what we do or what we say, why you are what you can say in tears like a girl? Why are you crying like a girl? So whether the crying is only authority of girls? No, not at all. But we have decided our values, not a values actually, it is just our own phenomena. Getting? So, but it determines actually. We are so fortunate that we are in such a wonderful society where the male and female, men and women are treated equally. But still you will see in some parts of our nation, this condition is the worst one. You might have watched the Sand Ki Aak. So just watch this movie. Actually, it's a true or the truth story actually of the Seema Tomar, I think. So you will see how we segregate, not actually segregate, we differentiate in the sexes. Getting? So genders. So sex is another, or the gender is the another one of the environmental factor. Then geographic environment, the food, climate, soil, physical environment, hills, rivers, ocean, ice hills make the tremendous effect to the total growth of the personality of individual. So climate or the soil, you will see Punjabi people are having a very good physique. You will see in the northeast their height is they are shorter. So physical environment or the climate is deciding their personality. Then culture, cultural heritage, folkways, customs, group pressure, ideas of religious concepts that have also effect on certain traits of individual personality. Since decades or the 100 years back, you will see that was a custom was there that in the Hindu religion that you should not cross the sea. Otherwise, you will be divided from the society. If such a norms or customs are there in such a society, then how one can expect that the birth of the Columbus or the Vasco da Gama in such a religion, where the culture is not allowing to sail in the sea. So culture again determines the personality. Then some biological factors we can say heredity, brain. Actually, I have just collected from some from the 2-3 notes. So you might think it's just overlaying. Getting? So same things are there: heredity, brain that means your intellectual. Then biofeedback that means like the endocrine glands. Then physique that means the physical feature. Then environmental factors. Culture is there, family is there, social and situational conditions that decides the personality. Then personality traits, same one. Physical, that means the which drives let you do the activity. Then temperament, if anybody is having the scientific temperament, intellectual temperament, emotional temperament, so you will. Then capacities, then behavioral traits, ideas, habits, attitude, and wishes. Then personality traits. Actually, separate question will be there on the personality traits. So extraversion. Extraversion that means what? How you are letting you actually. How much open you are. Getting extrovert peoples. Extrovert and introvert. No. So likely extrovert, as we have seen in the types of personality, extrovert, introvert, and ambivert. So like extraversion, that means the extrovert people. Then agreeableness. Agreeableness means what? That means sometimes as, for example, as you people goes to restaurant to celebrate the birthday of birthday boy, then it comes to the point how what to order now. So it's a general answer you will see there. What? I don't have any problem. You can order anything. You just go one by one, one by one. Everyone, as just individuals are changing, the answers remain same. You can order anything. So that means what actually? This is our societal habit. Agreeableness means what? That how much agreed you are with the others. Some people you will see, म्हणजे सांगका मी आपण म्हणतो बघा, म्हणजे काय विचारलं की कसं, हा तुम्ही म्हणाल तसं काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. He don't have his own agenda, he don't have his own thoughts. his thought processes, he just flowing with the society. Those who are just readily agree without any argument doesn't have any value, no. Then emotional stability, how much he is stable emotionally. If he's changing his mood, then what's the use? Nothing. Then openness to experience. Actually, we people always be in a fear to experience a new thing. But personality trait, it helps, or it is one of them, or it decides a personality actually. How much you are expose yourself to get the new experience. And at last, self-esteem and efficacy. That means how much you are efficient and what is your self-esteem is telling. So that is all about the personality traits. I think in your course, only themes are there, define or definitions of personality, then personality traits and factors affecting or the determinants of personality. Get? So for today, I think we should stop here. Thank you.